This looks actually very nice. Like I have something on my hair. So in today's video I will talk about my hair. I will show you how I style it in a way, how I blow dry it. But the most important thing, I will talk about the star product of my current hair care routine, which basically saves my hair. You know that I've been going a bit more blonder, so my hair is like it's like a mess right now, and it's quite dry, and I never experienced something like this because I always had my brown hair. So yes, there are some changes when you bleach your hair. So the saver, the hair mask that I wanted to mention is the Coco Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. Now I've been trying this hair mask for a couple of weeks now, and this video is also in collaboration with Coco Eve because I will share, you know, my review, my thoughts about this hair mask. So let's start with the first thing, which is the packaging, which is absolutely adorable. The mask itself has a creamy, like whipped consistency. It looks just like a dessert and smells so good, very sweet and delicious. The main two ingredients are raw coconuts and figs, so you can definitely feel it straight away. Now in the box, when you buy the mask, you also receive their Tangle Tamer. Again, soft pinky color, I absolutely love it, and it's compact, so that's great for traveling as well. You can use it on wet hair to apply, you know, the mask more evenly, or on your dry hair to tangle. My hair looks like this right now. So it's super dry, it's just damaged in one word. After I bleached everything, I mean, the ends are so bad, so dry, and it always super tangled. So I try to detangle my hair, but sometimes I just end up breaking the hair in a way, which is pretty bad. But this is what it is when you change your hair color, or when you know, bleach everything. So I knew that this will happen in a way. I was prepared, but you know, it's always good to have that hair care product, that star hair care product that would take care of everything, will make your hair just smooth, luscious, more manageable. Now I'll go ahead and do a demo for you. So I will show you how I apply the mask, and I will talk more in detail about the ingredients and how you should use it. So let's get started. After I wash my hair, I will take small amounts of the mask and will apply it evenly all over my hair, concentrating it more, of course, at the ends. And with the Tangle Tamer, I will brush the hair at the same time, providing a more even application of the mask, and leave it on for 10 minutes. The Coco Eve mask deeply conditions, hydrates the hair while still maintaining, you know, its volume, which is important, rejuvenates and restores even most damaged and bleached hair like mine is. So you can literally just transform your hair in like 10 minutes. All these oils and nourishing ingredients that are contained into the mask will penetrate and provide all that hair nutrition in a way, so you will benefit fully from all those beautiful ingredients, as well as the raw coconut and fig extracts. I then rinse it off and try to dry it up to, I would say, 70%. I then use my big round brush to dry the rest of the hair, at the same time kind of styling it. So just going down with the brush and with my hair dryer, so as simple as that. So in the end, I always end up having just super soft, very just luscious hair that is so easy to brush and to love. So this is the final result. I absolutely love my hair like this, and it's so smooth. I guess I don't need to say anything else because you can see this hair mask is just brilliant. It works, it smooths the hair, it makes it really kind of luscious, healthy looking, and this is, I mean, this is the main thing for me right now, to have my hair looking healthy, because it was so damaged, and I want to continue to damage. You will have in the description box the link, you know, to the product and more info in case you want to try it yourself and have luscious hair. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you also enjoyed, you know, my little styling demo. This is basically everything I do with my hair. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye.